Surely you'd be worried that he was going to smash off that into the ground.
Oh my god!
Wow.
Oh my god, he's actually just broken it. Yeah, he just smashed that.
Oh dear.
He's crashed the window for where he drives. It's hanging down. Yeah, he's broken the entire seat.
Well, that's it not going up again.
Oh, that's good. We've seen it all happen now.
Wow.
Maybe the glass. I wonder how they
Those pilots are okay. There's
Have the
movement
ambulance
in
coming
there.
out.
There's movement in there. We need to get it down properly.